Arithmetic progression is a sequence whose terms increase or decrease by a fixed number, and the fixed number is called the common difference. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. In this sequence, the terms increase by number 2. Similarly, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, and so on. This is also an AP or arithmetic progression because the numbers decrease by 2. If A is the first term and D is the common difference, an AP can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. The nth term can be written as A plus n minus 1D. Here we can write the nth term formula, which is A plus n minus 1D, which is also the last term in a finite sequence. So it is also denoted as L.